12 divided by 3 over 2 times 4. Now, if this 2 divide this 2, this is going to give us 2, right? So we have 12 divided by 3 times 2. 12 divided by 3, this is going to give us 4 times this 2, which is equals to what? 8. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operation, board mass, we have to solve from left to right. B stands for bracket, also known as parenthesis. O stands for off. D stands for division. M stands for multiplication. A stands for addition. And X stands for subtraction. Alright? So if we solve using that rule, our answer is not going to be what? 8. So first of all, we have to do this division first, because we are following the rules. So to get this, we have to apply the rule KCF. K stands for keep, C stands for change, F stands for flip. So we are going to keep 12, change this to multiplication, flip this, which is 2 over 3 times 4. Now, 3 divided by 12, this is going to give us 4. So we are left with 4 times 2 times 4. 4 times 2, this is going to give us 8. 8 times 4, this is going to give us 32. And this is the final answer.